Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 2, chapter number 1, Real Numbers. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set exercise 1.1. Question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay. Now try to understand this example. Solution. In this case, HCF of 616 and 32 will give the maximum number of columns. Now here you have to use what? Common sense. Okay. Now at the end of this example, I will explain you. Now first you try to understand. Okay, using Euclid's division algorithm to 616 and 32, A is equal to B into Q plus R, where R is less than B, R is equal to 0 or greater than 0. Here A is equal to 616 and B is equal to 32. Okay, then find HCF. 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. Then 32 is equal to 8 into 4 is equal to 0. So here R is 0 and therefore your last divisor is 8. Hence HCF is equal to 8. And therefore the maximum number of columns in which they can march is 8. Okay. Now common sense is this. Say find what HCF and find LCM. LCM is what? Large number. And in parade the columns are not in large number. Okay. And therefore what you find? HCF. Is it clear? So this is what logic you use. Sometimes you have to use what? Logic. Okay. Then question number 4. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Okay. Solution. Let a be the any positive integer, then it is of form 3m plus 1. Now by Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where b is equal to 3 here. From this 3, b is what? 3 from this 3, and q is some integer, and r is less than b, r is greater than 0 or equal to 0. And now therefore r is equal to less than b, so b is 3, so 0, 1 or 1, 2. And therefore a is equal to 3q, or a is equal to 3q plus 1, or a is equal to 3q plus 2. And therefore a square is equal to 3q square is equal to 9q square is equal to 3 into bracket 3q square. So this step you write down properly. Okay, because I want to compare with what? These terms. So 3 is equal to something you write down. As q is some integer, 3q square is also equal to integer say m. So 3q square is equal to m is also integer, and therefore a square is equal to 3m first. Then a square is equal to 3q plus 1 square, that is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Expand this and then you adjust the terms, and therefore a square is equal to 3q into bracket 3q plus 2 plus 1. So here m is equal to q into bracket 3q plus 2 is integer, because q is integer, and therefore a square is of the form 3. This is m plus 1. So statement number 2. From 1 and 2, square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 or for some integer m. Okay. Question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of form qm, qm plus 1, qm plus 8 and so on. Solution. Try to understand solution. Let a be any positive integer. B is equal to 9, this 9. Applying Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where q is some integer, q is greater than or equal to 0, and r is less than b, r is equal to 0 or greater than 0. And therefore now here this b is equal to what, 9, and therefore r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now a is equal to 9q plus 0, 9q plus 1, 9q plus 8, and therefore one number a is equal to 9q, and therefore a cube is equal to 9q cube is equal to 7 to 9 q cube is equal to 9 into bracket 81 q cube. Since q is some integer, 81 q cube is equal to m is also integer, and therefore a cube is equal to 9. For this you write down m. Okay. Now similarly you can prove next. A cube is equal to 9q plus 1 cube. Expand this. So 77 to 9 q cube plus 3 into 9q into bracket 9q plus 1 plus 1. So this is an expansion. Then here you take 9 common from this term. 9 into bracket 81 q cube plus 3q into bracket 9q plus 1 close bracket, close this bracket also, plus 1, and now this is an integer because q is integer. Since q is some integer, and therefore 81 q cube plus 3 cube into bracket 9 q plus 1 is integer, say m, and therefore a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. Similarly, you can find a cube. 9 cube plus 8 cube is equal to, expand this, 7 to 9 q cube plus 3 into 72 cube into bracket 9 cube plus 8 plus 512 is equal to 7 to 9 q cube plus 3 into 9 into 8 cube into bracket 9 cube plus 8 plus 4 504 plus 8. Then take 9 common from this all, so 9 into bracket 81 q cube plus 24 q into bracket 9 q plus 8 close bracket plus 56 close this bracket also plus 8. And since q is some integer and therefore this bracket is integer, and therefore 81 q cube plus 24 into q into bracket 9 q plus 8 plus 56 is integer, say m, and therefore a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. Hence cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, now you go through this video again so that you understand. It is slightly complicated, but if you go sincerely, then definitely you understand. Okay, now today it is enough. Hello my student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. And one thing you remember, every day I will expose video. Okay, so please subscribe. Thank you. Take care.